Alright, today I'm going to draw the T-Rex. So, I'm going to start off right here with a boxy-like head. It's important to put a structure down when you're doing these sort of things. We're going to have his body be right here. I'm going to have his tail come down. I want to make sure I know where his legs are going to go first. Let's have his leg go out here and then come down. And the back leg will be more straight and out. Now with the tail is like the length of the whole body, but we want it to be, it comes forward, so it's going to be more like just the body, not the head. And its length, there's some foreshortening going on. These are things you have to think about when you're designing, when you're trying to bring this creation to life. And then this tail's gonna go change direction. This is like the middle center line of it. All right. Mouth go like this. You can see the ridge on the other side, the ridge of the eyes. Really gives some depth there. So far, so good. This mouth is 3D. You want to always make sure you're presenting a 3D space, so it really feels like it's coming out. For example, this arm here, it's got short arms. It's a T-Rex. I want there to be another arm here. And see how there's a chance for them to cross. Now, I think it's time to erase some of these construction lines. This nice eraser to have here. It erases really well, this colored pencil. So, that's really a nice feature of having these. I just say these are the nicest pencils I've ever had as of today. I used them before. They're Faber-Castell. I just recently watched a few videos on how the pencils are made, so I know it's pronounced Faber, not Faber or Faber. It's kind of like father. People don't pronounce father, father. Or they don't pronounce him father. So it's like father. It's Faber-Castell. Just so you know. Alright. This is looking pretty good. He's got massive claws here. make sure they're in there. Picture. Right. Okay. So far so good. And I think this is where I want to do some of the coloring in. We're going to start with it being all green, and we're going to add more color to it. I think it would look a little better if it was like a little bit wider too. Oh yeah, that would make it look better. So we can actually do that. If it looks weird, you can just erase. Okay. Let's bring in some brown. I'm going to have the darkest areas be brown. It's very brown and green like a dinosaur here, and a lot of depictions. Let's put on some of these ridges here. Add a little more character to the artwork here. All the way down the tail here. Let's have this tail stand out even more. And you just push a little harder on these Faber-Castell pencils. These are the classic Faber-Castell. I have not tried the chromo ones. But these are just really good, just the way that they are. You know, you can tell they're high end. Alright, so what else can we do here? Let's add a little red to this part. A little bit of red to the tongue as well. Let's see this here. What else? Maybe some of the rib lines. Some other textured lines here. Really could add something. tough looking dinosaur. One of the things that would really make him look tougher is a little bit of a scene here. So that's what I'm going to do for us here. Okay. Let me get some general shadow going on here. Looking good. In the background here, I want to have some plants, maybe, to show kind of like where he's at. Yeah, just like little quick things like that. Show off some atmosphere. And let's color them in real quick. They look a little too uniform for me, so I'm going to do a little... There we go. Alright, so I want to draw a guy here. Let's start him off with his scale. He's going to be about as tall as the leg is, you know. He's going to be over here. Right about here. This would be a good spot. So his head would be here, his body here, and his legs here. So you just kind of map him in. He'll be an adventurer, so he'll have one of those adventurer hats. Alright, so it's like that. Let's add some color to this guy. Probably has like a leather jacket. It's cool, right? Probably got jeans on or something like that. Maybe some dark boots for contrast. See his hair coming out back. Get some hands. Let's do a little bit of a... I don't have skin color, but sometimes you can do a little bit of orange. And add a little yellow to it, brighten up the orange. Get it kind of looking more like skin. There you go. I think that... There we go, yeah. Alright, there is the T-Rex. I think it came out really good. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.